para magtrabaho o mare, hindi para sirain yung pagkakaibigan ng kung sino man.
Hindi. Yun naman talaga. It's all, portraying a role and we're all professionals on the set. So, ayun, yun nakaka-excite.
Heavy drama yung mga nakaraan mong nagawa. Compared dito na light lang ba? Paano mo may compare to sa mga heavy na nagawa mo na?
Ako, I would say it's siguro more refreshing lang. Mas refreshing ang Oswald dahil it's a fresh of breath air.
Okay.
It's a breath of fresh air.
Okay.
Baliktad.
Okay. Paano mo i-describe ang JD in Tandem?
JD in Tandem, lakas, you know, parang yun na, as I said earlier, parang dati nagtataka ako, parang laging nag-depend sa Twitter, tapos, when I got to know them.
Are you also ready for the fans na kung sakaling ko magiging third wheel, medyo magagalit
Sa selos.
Well, lagi naman. Sa mga previous roles rin na nagampanan ko, I get that a lot. And, as I've said, I'm here to add more excitement sa show.
Bakit bang fresh mo ngayon?
Talaga? Actually, cool ako sa
Parang gumilevel ka na sa JD sa sa edad.
shade lang ako.
Anong reason?
Ayun, siguro dahil napahinga rin for a few months. Not really pahinga. I've been doing several shows around Philippines and also at least mas hindi naman ganun ka-stressful.